If you want to generate a grid that is drawn onto your canvas, you can go to Canvas, Virtual Grid, Show Virtual Grid. The virtual grid is quite similar to the layout grid, with lines that divide the canvas. If we go to Canvas, Virtual Grid, there's an option to snap to the virtual grid. This behavior is similar to snap to guides. You can use it with the Pen tool, Shape Selection tool, Convert Point tool, and Text tool. Let's check out the virtual grid options, and we can select the grid type. You can choose from a rectangular grid, vertical lines, horizontal lines, or a dot grid. Let's try a rectangular grid. You can change the spacing of the grid. Right now we're measuring in pixels, but we can also measure in inches or whatever else we want. We can also change the grid color. I'll make the lines green. And near the bottom are options to show the virtual grid or draw grid to selected layer. By choosing to draw this to the selected layer, it's actually going to draw that grid onto that layer. With this mode enabled, I can also choose align thickness. I'll click on OK, and now that grid has been drawn to my canvas. I can select the Distorto brush and distort those grid lines.